Back to shopping.
Gotta try and let it go, this burning feeling in my soul, and cut the strings that hold me so tightly. I won't let me go. It has control. You move like music, a gentle symphony, graceful steps that hold certain mystery. Bottom, your eyes like diamonds, shining bright they gleam. A lovely lady, you're my every dream. Lovely, lovely lady, you're the one I'm searching for. Lovely lady, a lovely lady. Ever since I met you, there's no pain that I endure. Lovely lady, a lovely lady. You know that I love you, there's no one else I adore. Lovely lady.
So guys, I just got home. Ay, hindi pala. Nakauwi na ako kanina pa, but hindi ako napag-vlog masyado kasi nagchichikahan lang kami and such. Pero ngayon, nagawa ako ng essential questions kasi bukas na yung deadline niya, and yung iba kong missing, gagawin ko na rin ngayon kasi nag-set na ako sa sarili ko ng deadline na bukas dapat tapos ko na lahat. So, gagawin ko lahat ng, I think 2 lang yung missing ko, and then yung deadline bukas is lang. So, bale, yung kailangan kong gawin yan is 3 task. Kasi wala akong pupuntahan bukas, walang pasok. So, sa Thursday, pupunta kami ng Divisoria for our outreach program. So, yun lang. Yun lang yung ginagawa ko right now. Pero ang dami ko pang kailangan gawin. Personal. Maglinis ng kwarto, ganyan-ganyan. And then, mag-sort ng vlogs, mag-edit. I feel like hindi ako nakakapag-vlog masyado. Kasi kanina, nagkakwentuhan lang kami talaga. And nahihiya ako mag-take out ng camera kasi hindi ko alam. Matagal kami hindi nagkita ng friend na yun, and gusto ko lang respect yung time namin na ayokong maglabas bigla ng cellphone habang nagchikahan kami. Yun lang naman.
A lovely lady. I can't have this feeling, something that I can't ignore. Lovely lady, a lovely lady. Your laugh like heaven, twinkling with sunlight, fill in the air with pure delight. Bottom, your smile like sunshine, warm and bright. Lovely lady, your love feels just right. No matter what I say, I always wish I could say more. Lovely lady, lovely lady. I see you looking out that window, won't you open up that door? Lovely lady, a lovely lady. In cloudy skies, my love for you still reigns. Oh yes, it pours. Lovely lady, a lovely lady. Whatever we go through, just know I'm forever yours. Lovely lady, a lovely lady.
Alam, galing para masagupat kayo. Ayan na. Ba't ganyan yung pwesto mo, Janica?
Lovely, lovely, lovely lady.
Hi guys, I just got home. Obvious naman kasi nakaka pa din ako. So, our advisor got us something. Like, sa National Bookstore, pinapili niya lang kami gusto namin. And ako, I want something na makapagpaalala sa akin. Pag, kunyari, itong bagay ito, pag tinignan ko, si to, like, yung picture namin. So, I got a blind box. Like, hindi ballpen, ganun. Pero, alala ko sa nagbigay nito. Shit, ang baho. Oh my god. Ang cute, oh. Although, di ko siya alam saan ko siya ilalagay. Pero, hindi siya pang ganyan. I know, pero, hindi ko talaga alam saan siya ilalagay. And ito yung friend ko. Hindi ko pa siya nalalagay doon, pero, I'm planning to put this on my wall. So, ayun. So guys, tagal na ako ng contacts. Tagal ko na isa, by the way. Minsan mas nadadalian talaga ako pag pag gamit ko yung kamay ko. So, that's that. Community na naman. Bakit nagbuko? Wow! Ano yan? Ay, nasunog!
Nadiri ka na
Konti W. No makeup.
Gamitin na ako.
Alam mo ko ilan?
Kasi isang bag daw, 7 to 6 ang nakakain.
Nakailog sila.
Alam mo yung mga
Pamilyang. Ako lang sa Divisoria.
lagi ako na sa initan eh. Hindi na nagpapayo. Nakakapat na.
Nagulo ko ng tao ba?
Ako. Agoy! Ay! Kaya nga. Mamaya may matawagan ka bigla. Ano ba ito? Oh. Crabs! Ay, guys. Back to shop.
You push me out, I keep you down. You scream, I shout, but I'm not gonna leave it 'cause I'm halfway home. So in the middle, and you call my phone, speak like a riddle, and you break me to pieces and skip down. God, I love when you let me down so bad. I shouldn't take it if they heard you laugh. That would explain it. And I'm so sick of loving blindly, but you know where to find me. 'Cause I'm halfway home, very bad disease to love you. I don't know what I got 'cause I feel like I still miss you.
parang naka-sunkiss. Nabili kami ng... Nabili ng shake.
Careline.